What are we cooking today, Joyce?
We're making. What are we making? We're making shrimp with the green sauce. Remember the green sauce that we used? I put sour cream in it. But this one, I'm not putting sour cream. Okay, I used to show you how to clean the shrimp. I will clean most of them. I will cut out the eyeball and some of these, and then need to devein it.
Yeah.
Okay. And then the rest of it's all clean. Leave this one in here. I want to not splashing like crazy, and then when you eat it with the cornstarch, will have more body to it. This is really easy. Okay, I'm going to put some oil in the pan. You sort of shallow fry it. That's why wait till it get hot. I'm going to cover it on this right here. Just shake it out a little bit. It's not hot enough. Doesn't have the drama of a shh. It's still not like what we expected. Now more like it, huh? See, cooking shrimp is fast. It start changing color already. Right?
Mm-hmm.
The famous green sauce. Remember that?
No one can ever forget it.
Guess what? I owe you. There's a jalapeno pepper. I cut it already. You can smell it. I'm gonna make extra that you can. I got some.
Wow.
Oh. Wow.
I can feel it.
Okay, stop this over this. This is cilantro. It doesn't even want to go down. We'll get there.
Really?
I thought it was going to be fast, but it's not. Finally, go down.
You have to step on this, Joyce.
And that's it. Corbin said, that's not enough.
Yeah. Exactly, Joyce.
Okay, I'm going to flip it. Rotate, like these. Rotate the outside one in there. When it change color, pretty much, cook. Hot. Another minute, this is cooked. I think the other side take a little longer. This side is already cooked a little bit.
Smells good, Joyce.
Hey, shrimp. Except you're allergic, most people like shrimp. With the little cornstarch, have a little coating on it. The thing is cooked, okay? All I need to do is spoon some magic sauce. Okay, I'm going to turn it off because I don't want it to splash. This is oil hot enough. I'm not going to put a lot because Corbin said this is not a lot. And that's it. How easy.
Very easy.
Even Corbin can do it.
Maybe.
Maybe, huh? Okay, I'm going to play it. Then we can have dinner. Corbin said. Oh no, small plate again. One, two, three. Picture time. See?
That's really nice, Joyce.
Huh?
Looks really good.
Yeah.
So,